Hey everyone, today I'll share practical tips on how to earn money online. Number 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills online. Start with platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Build your reputation gradually by delivering quality work. Number 2. Online courses and digital products. Share expertise through courses or sell digital products. Choose a niche you're passionate about. Use platforms like Teachable or Udemy for hosting. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products. Select products your audience values. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates and other such platforms. Number 4. Dropshipping. Sell products without inventory. Find trending products and set up a store on Shopify. Focus on marketing and customer service. Number 5. YouTube and content creation. Create quality content and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. Pick a niche and create consistent, engaging content. Diversify income with Patreon or affiliate links. So these are the 5 tips for earning money online. But please remember that earning online takes dedication. So start small, keep learning, and keep exploring new opportunities online. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such tips.